Hi DMsters! We are on our way to La Roca de Trinidad Hot Springs Resort dahil ngayong araw ang aming community outing with Don Bosco ME family. Dumating kami sa place ng 9 AM at kumain muna ang DM Kids. This is our Class 81 family. Nirent ng DBME community ang buong La Roca Resort and mamaya itutur ko kayo. We all gathered here sa pavilion para sa aming programs and games. Binati rin ng buong community si Brother Bert, Brother Jerry, and Brother Nonong who are celebrating their birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Palapakan si Brother Bert! Jerry, birthday, he-communicate mo, Brother Jerry.
Jerry, birthday mo rin bukas!
Birthday ni Brother Jerry!
To you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Baka may hahabol pa.
After ng celebration, proceed na kami sa mga games na specially prepared by Brother Bert. First game is Walk Like Japanese at sumali si Daddy Dennis dito. Yay! Nanalo sila ng tigwa 100 pesos. Dito naman nanonood sa gilid ang mga DM Kids. Hello Sis Vilma! Game 2 is ping pong relay. Ako naman ang sumali dito. Nako, nakakakaba nga tong game na to. Nahirapan nga akong i-shoot yung bola eh. Kasali rin dito si Sis Flora at si Sis Vilma. Go Sis Vilma! Sis Flora's turn. Go Sis! At ito, turn ko na nga. Sobrang kabado. Hirap na hirap ipasok ang bola. Salamat sa motivation mga sis. Ayun, natapos din. And down to our last player. Yay! Thank you po sa Bath and Body Works lotion. Marble Relay naman ang Game 3. At kasama dito si Sis Grace, si Sis Ces, at si Mommy Baby. Madulas yung marble compared sa kalamansi, pero ang gagaling nila mag-balance. Yay! Nanalo rin sina Sister Ces. Ang fourth game naman is paramihan ng masasalong bola. Lunchtime muna and to be continued ang programs at ang mga raffle prizes. Mag-tour muna tayo dito sa resort. Napakalawak talaga sa buong resort. May mga picnic hats with sink, grill, electric fan and tables. Meron ding mga picnic tables with a naho roof na may access din sa free grills and sink. Yung kaninang pinaganapan namin ng program is the Big Hat and it can accommodate up to 40 people inside. Meron din silang mga small rooms or accommodations na pwedeng i-rent. Yung walkway nila papunta sa pool is full of greeneries. Maraming different types of plants and flowers. Very nature vibe, kaya nakaka-relax talaga. Sa left side, yung kiddie pool nila. Hot spring pareho ang pool. Silipin naman natin dito sa taas yung adult pool. They also have a spacious parking area. Ito naman yung entrance nila. Napagod mag-swimming ang DM Kids kaya nagmerienda muna sila. For the last game, papagulungin ng ping-pong ball at kung saan siya mag-land ay yun ang prize na makukuha mo. 1 per family at si Jace ang pinapila namin. Good job, Jace! Nakakuha siya ng 100 pesos. Turn naman ni Sis Ses. Si Sis Vilma naman. Then si Sis Setchi. Silipin uli natin ang pool.
Banding ah!
Ngayon yung start ng basketball camp ni Jace kaya kailangan naming umalis ng maaga. Masayang banding at masasarap na food. I am forever grateful to be part of the DBME community. Thank you to all the elders and to all the organizers. Salamat sa aking mga sisters and brothers sa Class 81. Thank you for watching. Bye!